Ever scrolled through social media and wondered, is this even true? You're not alone. Misinformation spreads faster than ever, and traditional fact-checking. It's like trying to drink from a fire hose. But what if we could teach AI to do this smarter, faster, and with clearer answers? That's exactly what this new research is doing, and it's changing the game. Let's start with the problem. Fact-checking isn't just about saying true or false, it's about understanding why. Traditional methods rely on humans, who are super accurate but slow. And AI? Well, it's fast, but sometimes it makes things up or hides its reasoning in a black box. So, scientists built a multi-agent system. Think of it as a team of AI specialists, each with a unique job working together like a well-oiled machine. Here's how it works. First, the input ingestion agent takes a claim, like vaccines cause autism, and breaks it into smaller, testable pieces. Instead of tackling the whole statement at once, it splits it into sub-claims. Do vaccines contain mercury? Is there a link between mercury and autism? This makes fact-checking more precise. Next, the query generation agent turns those subclaims into targeted questions. Instead of a vague search like, are vaccines safe? It asks, is thimerosal in vaccines linked to autism? This focus helps find the best evidence. Then, the evidence retrieval agent hunts for answers. It doesn't just grab snippets from the web, it digs into full articles, checking credibility by analyzing sources, domains, and even publication history. Think of it as a detective who doesn't stop at a single clue. Finally, the verdict prediction agent pieces it all together. It checks for contradictions, weighs the evidence, and gives a clear answer, like false or supported by evidence, plus a simple explanation. No more cryptic AI answers. This system tells you why it thinks what it does. So how did it perform? The researchers tested it on 3 major datasets, FEVEROUS, HOVER, and SciFact, and it outperformed existing methods by 12.3% in accuracy. But here's the kicker, it doesn't just spit out a verdict. It explains its reasoning step by step, making the process transparent and auditable. But there's another breakthrough in the works. Imagine AI learning to spot fake news not just by data, but by intuition. Researchers are now training models to measure perplexity, a metric that gauges how surprising a statement is based on existing knowledge. If a claim feels off, it's a red flag. Here's the genius twist. Instead of needing thousands of examples to learn, this system uses multi-hop reasoning, like a detective following a trail of clues. Let's say the AI is checking that banana cancer claim. First, it might ask, do bananas have cancer-fighting compounds? 1 hop. If the answer isn't clear, it digs deeper. What do medical studies say about this? 2 hop, then cross-references those sources, 3 hop. Each step builds a chain of logic, even when data is scarce. This matters because traditional AI often hallucinates, making up facts when it's unsure. But this approach forces the model to think aloud, breaking down each step like a student solving a problem. Combine that with tools like web searches or knowledge graphs, and you've got a fact-checking powerhouse. The results? It's a game-changer for topics no one studied much, like emerging diseases or languages with limited online info. It's not perfect, but it's a giant leap toward AI that's not just smart, but trustworthy. So could AI one day replace human fact-checkers? Maybe not entirely, but imagine a world where AI flags suspicious claims in real time, giving us all a head start against misinformation. What do you think? Drop your thoughts below, because the future of truth might just be a few clicks away. Thanks for watching. If you want more deep dives into AI's wild world, hit subscribe. Stay curious, and let's keep chasing the facts together.